Still a little slick. Unfortunately, sorry, I heard some cracking. Still a lot of trees. Somebody's trying to figure out what this branch is doing. But overall, I'm real lucky so far. You see those pine trees right over the top of that. See how that's leaning? Look at all these trees just leaning over. I'll wander out front here in just a minute. And I hear the chainsaws running. Wow. Yeah, look at all the ice. When that puppy came down, that's crazy. Yeah. Gonna have a little bit of a mess on my hands, but you know, again, I still have power. I'm one of the only people in the neighborhood, or one of the few. Only about, what, maybe a third of my neighborhood. All those people back there don't have power. I could tell at least the right side of the road on this side didn't have. I don't know who does and doesn't. Don't know what happened, but man. Crazy. And it's supposed to be cold again today, and the snow's coming, so hopefully things hold out. Hopefully it doesn't get too windy. Power line. Hang on, no girl. Almost don't even like walking underneath them, I can say that.